Hello everyone, it's Maddie and
Madison.
Miss Madison from Spectrum Art, yes. And we are really excited to actually share this with you because this is actually a project, an invitation that was given to us by Tanya Barnes from Tartantaz Creates. And she actually created her very first digital paper, and she invited me to actually create something with her lovely paper. And we were delighted to be invited and to be challenged, and so we did, and we hope that we've done it justice. So I will share with you what our project is. We've turned this into a small mini book, and here we have our closure, and it's got a beautiful charm heart and then a beautiful bow here with a little blingy on it, and very tiny, very cute. This is our front cover. It's got some vintage lace on it, as well as this really cute little embellishment that says Sweetie with a bird and a little bling, and then a doily, which we've actually gone through and we've shadowed and of course distress the edges. And so we open up our little book this way and we reveal the paper. So this is the first piece of paper, the digital paper that she has, and this is it on the inside. And then on the inner pages we've actually used her secondary page, her second page, which is this one. So throughout the book, that's where you will see us alternating, but this is what we've created. The front and back have large pockets with some journaling cards. So that's the front and the back. Here's another one here in the back. There it is. And then with the pages, what we've done is we left it blank for a picture or journaling or anything that wants to be added on there. And on this side, we have used some cards that we actually had from our paper stash, but it actually matched, as you can tell, the colors beautifully. And then we've created pockets for those, and just these little really cute tags with some ribbon, and then a really cute little mini brad, and they tuck right in there. And so each page is got one clean side, one really nice card with a tag pocket, as well as every single page also has another pocket in between with a nice big journaling card for pictures or poems or quotes, or cutouts from books or whatever somebody would like. And also we reinforced every single one of them with this really pretty shiny washi tape, which was glued down to ensure that it actually stays on there for quite some time. So here we go with our second side, and again we've got the tag and we've got our pocket. This one says grateful for all you do. Next page, again we have our tag, we have our pocket, and this one says hello, Flowers and Company. And look at that beautiful paper. Aren't those colors gorgeous? It was so easy to just pick up that teal and the yellow and the golds and the pinks from it and create this cute little book. This one says thank you and the seeds for your garden. Look how cute that is. And so we go our tag, our pocket again. Forget Me Not. I used to love these flowers. These were the first flowers that I actually planted as a child. They were doing a fundraiser at school and they were selling, seed packets, and I was just in love with the name. And so I went ahead and begged my mom to order those from the fundraiser, and yeah, they actually grew. So that was pretty amazing to me. And I was young. I must have been maybe 6 or 7, but I was really, really in love with those cute little flowers. And it's got like a nice little, I guess, quote on there. It says, blooms late spring to early summer, keep in full sun, 16 inches tall, keep soil moist and water every day. I don't remember doing all that, but okay. And maybe my mom helped me. You know what? I'm probably, because I do not have a green thumb, come to think of it, it was probably my mom behind the scenes. Bless her heart. And so here we go again, another nice little tag, hello there. And another pocket. And then in the back, what we did was, here's her name. And we found this adorable little tag in our stash, so we went ahead and used it on there just to kind of, you know, add a little bit of something there. And then we've created some little sheets of paper, and of course you can add more because these are those clips that open up and allow you to actually put additional sheets of paper in there as much as you like. And then there we go, back to our back. So we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tags, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those pockets, plus 2 additional bigger ones in the front and back cover, and a nice little paper pad in the back, and lots of room on all the other sides, the other 6 sides, to go ahead and actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 areas, and even this one, I guess, if you wanted to, in the back also to write on. 7, 8 areas to go ahead and journal in, and then close it all back up. And there it is, nice and minty, teal, pink, gold colors. So we hope you guys have enjoyed this. And once again, thank you to Tanya Barnes for the invitation to create something with her lovely papers. Thank you so much. We hope you all have a blessed day. Bye.
Bye.